welcome to my Sunday front. Today I just have this small haul and I kind of am excited because like I've been waiting for these things, and I think like this spring I've been switching things up. So let's open these packages. So the first thing I got is actually very important. If you're into photography or videography, you know how important a backdrop is. So you need a fresh, clean backdrop. And I bought one. And this one is, look at that. It's because like when you take pictures and when you do video, you need a nice, clean background. So whatever you do, your video is real sharp, looks real nice. It doesn't look impromptu. And here, this one comes with accessories. I had a cloth one diffuser for the light, but this is different. This is for the back of whatever you're taking a video of. And here you can see there's little things to hang it. So these go on like the stand, and then this clips on to the material. So this would be the tela, and then it would just dangle like that off the stand. So that's pretty cool. And then you can adjust how tight you want to pull it. If you want it draped a little bit, or you can do stuff like that with it. Or just you want to pull it up. So that's pretty cool. Here's another little one. This one's not that fancy. See, that one's just medicine and trash bags. That's not that fancy. And then let's open this one. This one's nice. So I have a refill for my kitchen. I like flower scents. So like my Febreze Glad trash bags. These are my kitchen trash bags and my restroom trash bags. I use these for everything from laundry to just picking up around the house, or to store things in. I like to use these. These are drawstrings, so they're really convenient. They have a handle on them, and you just tie them if you want to put stuff in them. And you know, when you're done with them, you just throw them. And so this is a Fragancia in Sweet Rose Water. These are air freshener beads. So these have a liquid inside of them, but the beads, they hold and absorb all the scent, which is the fluid inside of here. And then like on my desk, I have one. I just poke holes in it, and it just like kind of releases the scent rather than open the whole thing. And then this is like to catch the beads so they won't pop out. But I just like to poke holes in there. The kitchen one, I don't really care. I'll just pop the lid off and then just use it how this is. But it's pretty strong fragrance. It can fill up a whole room, and they're only $2. this particular one. So I bought some rice because I was running low on rice and I wanted to make some rice recipe. And rice goes good with everything from soup to like gravies and curries. It makes a perfect side dish for Latin American cuisine, Eastern European cuisine, Asian cuisine. This is kind of like necessary. So I have matching, it's funny, I have matching Fragancia dish soap. I was running low. I have like this much left. And so this is also in sweet rose water. It really cleans my dishes. Believe it or not, I would not buy it if it didn't, because I love taking care of my house. I'm very proud of what I have, and that's how I've always been. I have a military family, so everything we have, everywhere, every roof over our head is a blessing. Every neighborhood, every community, it's a blessing to be in, you know? It really is. And I don't take living in this free country, in this free world, for granted at all. I think, you know, you should be proud of where you're at, your surroundings, you know, be based, you know, and humble. So I have no qualms of getting on my knees and scrubbing stuff off the floor, or picking up after myself, you know, doing what I do. It's just a part of who I am. So now I bought a new, I want to unbox this on another video. This is the FV matte foundation. This is an oil control foundation. So I want to check this out and see if it really works and make a video out of it, because everybody's been going nuts over matte foundations, and this one is from a company that I really like. And this one, oh, it looks like this was purposely opened. Oops, I hope not. But this is assorted cutlery. And it's just forks and spoons. Yeah, I got it for like $2, like $1 something. It's a good deal. Oh, and this one was on sale for 40% off. It was less than like $7, I think. Everything's pretty inexpensive. I mean, like, aside from this, like, these were all like almost $2. So here I got something that I really, really, really need, and that is a wallet. So this is cute because you can wear it out. You can also wear this for your bag, your purse, your backpack, your duffel bag, whatever you got. You can shove this bad boy in here. Might fit your phone, I don't know. It'll fit your phone. You got an iPhone. And yeah, look, I needed one of these. And you just put your change in the middle, or your makeup, and then you can put cards in there, your identity cards, or like whatever you got, your store cards, your monies, papers. You put stuff in there. And it's faux leather. You see that? It's not even real leather. It's faux leather. It's actual faux leather, I believe. And this is real merch. I also got some diet what you gonna call it, juice. It's grapefruit juice. Look, this one is, I believe this one is 5 calories per serving. So per cup you're only getting 5 calories. And 1 grams of sugar. It has all the vitamin C, really, well, actually it only has 70%, but that's pretty good for 1 cup. 30 grams of sodium. This is a really good drink if you are on any, even if you're not trying to lose weight, if you're on like a nutritional journey, like you're getting your health up, like me, this is perfect for that. This is like one of those drinks that is like, for me right now, is necessary. If you're trying to get your summer bod or get in shape for spring break, this is it. Right? Spring break is coming up. Now, let's see what's in here. In here is those Bond acid, what is it? Treatment. It's a Bond acid treatment. It says leave in for 1 minute in your hair. It's like a hair mask, and then you rinse it out. So you just put it on your clean hair. You know, you could probably put it on in the shower. Yeah. You shampoo and condition as usual. You put it on in the shower, in the bath. You put it on after shampoo and conditioner, so that way your hair won't, you know, be affected. And then it should repair your hair from like breakage and bring it back to shiny and smooth. And for me, that's important because I have a really tight kink in my hair, and nobody can, like, I've had people quit on me when they were doing my hair. So it's very important for me to make sure that my hair is as tame as possible, especially if I'm gonna go in and do my hair. And you guys know I do a lot of print work, so it's one of the things that is necessary for me to continue my career in the first place. Like, if you're sitting in somebody's chair and you ain't got it, honey, you better come with it. And this is one thing that I like is OGX, the brand itself, and I believe in them. So I'm gonna try this out and tell you guys how it do. And this is a blanket. It is a 50 by 60 throw blanket. It's a Bangles blanket. I don't want to open it because, like, I don't have use for it for myself. I bought it as a gift, and I bought this one for myself. And yeah, I'm just gonna put it away because it's for a gift. And see what's in here. So, did I buy these used? Yes, I bought these used. They are curtains. If I can find the, how did they? So these are curtains that I bought out of the warehouse deals, which is like resale. It's called Amazon resale now. And let's see what they look like, because I'm changing up my abode. And these are absolutely gorgeous. I can get them open. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I'm gonna put these up right now. That is so pretty. It's like very lively color, and the print is like denim almost, just like the other one. So like For the majority, my home is gonna be blue, I think, like a denim blue. And yeah, well, I just say denim because the one that I bought for where my desk is denim, and then I bought a faux silk one, and yeah, everything's kind of turning into a blue theme here. But yeah, the old window treatment, it was like a homage to the Bengals, but I'm gonna have to just put that aside. I mean, I could just leave the window treatment, but I kind of just want to brighten it up. But so I just want to use these are kind of they block the sun, so you can use them by themselves, or you can you know, put shade in the back. So I'm not sure if I'm going to take my shade off. I kind of don't want to take the shade off, and I kind of want to just hang these plainly because I really enjoy the sunlight, but also I'm not that invested in it as you can tell. But if you like this video, give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one at my Son de Frump. Bye bye.